everyone, I'm Shahrukh here from Student Alliance. We are proud to tell you that we at Student Alliance have partnered with ViewSonic as one of their platinum partners, and through that, we are providing viewboard software that comes along with a panel for the access for the same. So now I'm going to explain you how you can use my viewboard on this panel. What you have to do is you have to download the my viewboard application from the Play Store. And as soon as the download is done, you have to log in onto this. Now this login creation is something we'll be doing it from our end, and once the login is done, you have to download the companion application on your phone. Now as soon as the companion application is downloaded, just take a picture of the barcode and you will be successfully logged in to your my viewboard option. So in the upcoming series, I'm going to talk about features that can be used on my viewboard that will help your productivity. Thank you so much.